Keeping airport runways operating and safe in the winter can be very challenging. Freezing rain and snow can turn any runway into a dangerous ice rink. That's why the airport maintenance crew needs equipment that performs in challenging and tough circumstances. TylerIce is a brand that airports across the world trust and rely on. This is the beginning of a series of short videos highlighting the key features of our TylerIce product line. Meet Greg Murray, our product manager, as he takes you through the engineering behind our TylerIce equipment.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Greg Murray, the product manager for TylerIce for the Wausau company. It's an essential factor in an airport to not have an icy runway. As all of us have flown before, I was talking with one of my co-workers earlier, and we talked about the landing speed. It's about 160 knots when you come in on an airplane. So that's roughly 165 or 170 miles an hour. So you don't want a layer of ice down there. So that is why a machine like this is so important, and why we spend so much time and energy in perfecting these machines so that they're always available for the airport personnel to maintain the runways for their safety and your safety. We'll start with our spray arms. Our spray arms are one of the most rugged spray arms in the industry, with the rectangular steel tubing to support all the nozzles and the stainless steel liquid tube that transports the de-icing compound to the liquids. We also have selective nozzles with 3 different nozzles on every one. So you can use a streamer nozzle to penetrate through ice already on the airfield. You can use a medium nozzle, a 35 we call it, to get a extreme coverage before ice begins. And we also have a 60, which would be a large nozzle that allows you to put larger amounts of gallons per 1,000 square feet and drive at a little faster speed. You don't want to be on the runway spreading de-icing compound when planes are landing. So it's critical that we get on and off as quickly as possible, but get the best coverage that we can.